Okay, I'm back paying. Let's finish the soup. Let's use spoon.
Oh, you're breaking something again.
I'm just breaking. Bro, look at this. Oh, look at my ribs t-shirt.
Right.
Let me just wait. Lola, I finished it. Can you have the remaining?
When you eat noodle, you should double your drinking of water
I just
because it's high in sodium. Noodles.
But look at my noodle. It's so big. It's bigger than my stomach.
I'm telling you the truth. You should listen and do it.
And the water is the same size of my stomach. So my stomach will explode
Why are you asking the extra soup?
Just kidding. My stomach will...
Soup is also liquid, just like water.
Okay.
Oh, the rice. Don't waste the rice. It's only a small amount of rice that I put in there.
Let's eat. It was good. Go, 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 go. Wrestling.
I don't know what happened to the remaining amoxicillin there. The bottle got empty.
I didn't do it. Amoxicillin was disgusting.
It's an antibiotic. You cannot drink that without doctor's prescription. Did you?
Yet,
Did you drink the remaining 30 ml of antibiotic?
no.
Where did it go? Where is the 30 ml? Why the bottle is empty? It should not be empty because there is a remaining 30 ml.
But you said it was the last day.
Yes, the last day is 7 days only. But the amoxicillin, may sumobra
Yeah.
na 30 ml.
Anyway.
I told you, noodles are high in sodium. You must double your water drinking.
Okay. After that, I will eat noodle at night again.
One more.
7 days again?
I just let you eat that even today is only Wednesday because you did not eat dinner last night.
2 more days and I will eat noodle.
Buti na yung kanin yan.
Sinisimot!
Do not leave any bit of rice.
Let's drink the soup. I got my stomach have a space or something. Looks like let's higup the soup with a spoon. Spoon, 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 spoon. Biting spoon. Sloon. One long strips of noodle. I wish my stomach was 10 times bigger so I can eat too much food. Just like water. Talaga naman! Talaga naman!
Oo, sige, matapos kang pakainin.
Asik! Let's eat something Japanese later. Today later we will eat Japanese food. It's not SM day. Let's just cancel it. Finished.